Hello guys, why do you want to trade all the markets? Why do you want to trade every instrument that comes your way? The fact that you understand how to analyze the market doesn't mean that the market will give you money. You need to understand the instrument that you're trading. A lot of forex traders that are making it big time in the forex market didn't just start by trading all the instruments. They were able to master one or two, right? And in this particular industry, if you are not disciplined enough, you will just be trading randomly. You'll be burning money thinking that the market is after you, not knowing that you are the one that don't know what you're actually doing, right? So if you're watching me right now, my name is Gordon Trades. What I do here, I share my knowledge with you so that I can help you become a profitable forex trader. And if you really want to be part of my academy where I speak about psychology and also teach you how to analyze the market like a professional, you're most welcome, and the link to join my mentorship group is inside this video description below. So as a forex trader, you don't need to trade all the instruments, right? One of the mistakes that I found among traders is that they want to trade the whole currency pair. They want to trade the whole instruments. There's nothing wrong with that, but you need to understand what you're actually doing. Number one, what is even your account size? Number two, do you have the capacity to multitask? Why? Because you have analyzed about 3 different types of currency or instruments, and you have set your stop order, your buy limit, whatever way you execute the market. But do you know that apart from you entering the trade, there's also what we call trade management? Will you be able to manage all this trade that you have opened, right? So as a forex trader, if you really want to step up a game and understand the market and become profitable, you need to cut down your basket. Number two, learn the principle of diversification. Let's say you have one account, or let's say you have 2 accounts, right? You don't need to trade one instrument on those 2 accounts, right? You can say you are trading one strictly on gold, you're using the other one to do other majors, right? That is how you can diversify. Why? Because in case you take loss on one trade, it won't affect the other accounts. That is how you can structure your trading. Make sure you diversify. Make sure you specify a particular account for a particular purpose, right? You can even have an account for either swing trading, another account for day trading, another account for news trading, right? This is how you can structure your trading, right? And whichever way that is most convenient for you, sit down and plan your trade, right? It's not that it's not good to take one trade in different accounts, but think about in terms of loss, right? Because as a forex trader, the market will not always make you money. So if you are able to take one trade and that trade is a winner, and you took this trade across all your accounts, right? I'm sure you might be happy. But what about the day that you take a particular trade on all of your accounts and that trade was a loser, right? That's going to be a bad trade for you, right? And especially if one of those accounts has been on a bad drawdown, right? You're going to blow that account. And this is why a lot of people fail Profem Challenge. Even if you are a subscriber to a particular VIP forex signal, right? You need to understand the type of signal you are taking. The fact that they send you 4 or 5 signals does not mean you take all the signals. I have a student who only take gold and BTC USD, which is Bitcoin. No matter how juicy other pairs may seem, he doesn't take them, right? That is what I call extreme discipline. So this is what will help you become a successful forex trader. You can have, like, even though you have one account, right? Make sure you specify what type of instrument you want to trade. That account might just be only for 2, right? Probably you want to take just gold or GPP, JPY or Euro USD, right? You can't be taking different trade on one account. You're going to blow that account. Why? Because these instruments, they move in different ways, right? So let's say, for instance, you want to go in for a bar and you are trading GPP USD and probably USD CAD or GPP or Euro USD, right? Or AUD USD, right? Now, one of those instruments may give you a setup before one, right? I'm sure that all the instruments may not give a good setup at the same time, right? So, but it's not ideal you take all of them on one account. Have one account where you specify for a particular instrument, right? Should in case it goes negative, right? Always plan for your losses. If you are conscious of your loss, you will learn how to cut down your losses and maximize your profits, right? This will also help you in times to scale up faster, right? So this is what I share with my inner circle community. It's not by just coming to the platform or coming to your charts, looking for the type of trade to take. Look for quality trade, right? Now, if you are looking to take a particular trade setup, you will make sure you are able to wait for your setup to play, which is the A+ setup. And this type of particular trade will always have 90% or 95% win rate to go your way, except if the market is a choppy market and you just want to force out trade by just taking out trade. But ideally, you're supposed to wait for your good setup to play out. So this video is not meant to be long. I just wanted to share this with you because I feel that a lot of people are blowing account. Why? Because they are doing the wrong thing and they are always doing it consistently, right? So you need to change your approach. Even if you have one account, don't trade all the instruments, right? Do your back testing, see the particular instrument that you have an edge and develop that particular edge, and make sure you stick to that instrument. It's going to help you. One market is what you need and one trade is all you need, right? If it is GBP USD that has been giving you your most profit, stick to GBP USD, right? And make sure you are able to understand how the candle moves and the particular time you normally see your setups, and make sure you have relationship with your pair, right? And if it is two that you're looking at, understand how you trade them together. And if you have multiple accounts, let's say you have 2 or 3 accounts, don't take one trade on all of these accounts, right? Diversify. You can have one for a particular purpose, another one for probably instrument, another one for indices, another one for like gold. And this is how you can maximize your profit in the market so that you won't take one loss and it will affect all the accounts. I hope you get value in this video. If you find value, like it, let me have your own opinion in the comment section. And if there's any particular video you would like me to share or to do, I'll be willing to do that video for you, right? And make sure you subscribe if you've not already done so. So I see you in my next video. Stay tuned.